Hi there, Sherry Alberts here. This is a short, off-schedule episode. We just wanted to take a few minutes to let you know that Set Point Restore is now officially open. And I want to explain what it is, why I built it, and who it's actually for. This opening period includes founding membership pricing, which is going to go away once the launch window closes. This isn't a regular teaching episode, and it's not a challenge or a hype-driven launch like I've done in the past. This is just an orientation. Set Point Restore. It's a new membership that I've built around my work in set point science and regulation for people who are done trying to control harder and they want weight loss that actually holds steady. I'll keep this short and clear, and then I'll let you decide if it's something you want to step into. This membership exists because I have spent years coaching and watching a very specific pattern. People know what to do. They've read the books, they've tried the plans, they can be disciplined for a while, but the weight loss never feels settled, steady. It takes constant effort to maintain. One disruption, one stressful season, one slip, and everything feels like it's at risk again. What I see over and over is that the issue isn't knowledge or motivation. It's not discipline. It's that the body actually never feels safe enough to stop defending its current weight. So people end up living in a cycle of trying harder, tightening control, and then eventually burning out again or rebelling against the rules they made for themselves. And even when weight does change, it often doesn't feel calm. It feels fragile. Set Point Restore was built for people who are tired of that cycle, people who don't want to spend the rest of their lives managing themselves just to stay where they are. Set Point Restore is the container I built in response to that specific pattern. It's not a challenge, it's not a reset, it's not about discipline, willpower, eating perfectly. Set Point Restore is a regulation-based membership grounded in set point science, which means the focus is on helping your body feel safe, consistent, and nourished enough to stop defending that weight. In this work, weight loss isn't something we force. It's something that becomes possible when the defense softens. That changes how everything is approached. Instead of tightening control, we focus on restoring rhythms. Instead of chasing motivation, we work with our physiology and psychology together. Instead of fighting our appetite and wishing it was different, we learn how to listen to it accurately again. Inside Set Point Restore, that's going to look like live coaching, real-time application, and simple practices that I've been using for years that are designed to integrate into your normal life, not override it. The goal isn't to create a temporary version of yourself that can lose weight. The goal is to restore your body to a baseline of consistency so that weight can change without effort. This work is slow by design, like the tortoise and the hare, not because progress is slow, but because permanent change requires the body to stop feeling threatened. Set Point Restore is for people who are tired of cycling between control, collapse, control, collapse. It's for people who want to lose weight that feels calm and permanent, not something that has to be constantly managed. It's for people who are willing to slow down enough to actually build something that holds, even if that means letting go of what we're used to with the urgency and those quick fixes. It's especially for people who have tried doing everything right and are still stuck and are starting to suspect that the problem isn't effort. This is not for people who want fast weight loss, rigid rules, or a short-term plan. It's not for people who want to be told exactly what to eat or how to behave. And it is not for people who are looking for a content-heavy course to binge through and then move on from. Set Point Restore is for people who want a different relationship with food and weight, one that they don't have to constantly monitor or fight. It's an ongoing membership, but it's not open-ended in its purpose. When you join, you're entering a guided container that's specifically designed to move you from a state of weight defense and constant effort into regulation, trust, and sustainable change so that over time you no longer need the container in the same way. You get access to the community space and live coaching calls twice a month. The Learning Studio, it's going to grow intentionally with concepts introduced and integrated in a sequence rather than released all at once. There's nothing you're required to do immediately after joining. No plan to start, no reset to follow. You come in exactly where you are, and the success path is going to meet you right there. You can attend calls live, or you can just watch the replays. You can participate actively, or you can quietly observe. Both are valid ways to move through this work. This also isn't a long-term contract. You can leave whenever you want. The goal of Set Point Restore isn't to keep you indefinitely. It's to support you through a clear phase of change until you have enough internal stability, regulation, and confidence to carry this forward on your own. If you're listening during the founding member window, the link to join is in the show notes or in the description. Founding pricing is available just for a limited opening period, and after that, the membership remains open, but now at the standard rate. If Set Point Restore resonates, the doors are open right now. This opening period includes this founding member pricing for the first 10 days. After that, as I said, the program stays open and then the monthly rate increases. I want to name that clearly without urgency. You don't need to feel certain. You don't need to feel ready, and you don't need to decide quickly even. Just honestly. If you want a coaching container that's built around regulation, consistency, and long-term change rather than pushing harder, this might be a good fit for you. And if it's not, that's completely okay. I'm going to continue teaching publicly through the podcast and YouTube, and you're always welcome to stay connected that way. Either way, I'm really glad you're here, and I'm glad you took the time to listen. Thanks for hearing about what Set Point Restore is. I hope to see you soon.